Young, according to this transmission from Christopher, you've removed part of your helmet, exposed yourself to 186's atmosphere, and drunk the water. I cannot believe you've done this, Young. You idiot. You know protocol. You've been trained. Why are you removing your helmet on an alien planet? It breaks every rule in the book. You leave me no choice. We were on our way to intercept you, to pick you up. Yes, it would have taken time, but we were coming for you. But you've broken the rules, Young. You endangered us. You endangered us all. Thank God Christopher told us this, Young. Otherwise, we could have found ourselves in big trouble here. Your contaminated, polluted body with God knows what could have brought us all down. You idiots! You are going to stay on that earth and you are going to suffer. You are going to be alone and you are going to have long, cold nights where you die a slow and painful death. And you know what? It serves you right. If you can't follow the rules, you deserve this. You brought it upon yourself, you stupid bitch. I hope you suffer long and hard. I hope you rot. I hope that water inside you boils your insides, burns your organs, and turns you into a pile of acidy mush for the birds to peck on. Will that do?